Hello from Lordhair. Today I'm here to talk to you about the ST10 and ST14's women's hair systems. Both hair systems are similar in that they have a medium hair density and natural hair colour and are made from 100% Remy Chinese hair. The only difference between the two is the hair length. Now let's have a look at the top of the hair systems. Both hair systems come in a medium density and are made with 100% Chinese Remy hair. They both come in colour 1B, which is a natural black and a popular choice amongst hair system wearers. They both come in a freestyle direction, so you can part and style your hair however you see fit. The only difference between the two is the hair length, with the ST10 measuring 10 inches and the ST14 measuring 14 inches. Let's start by looking at the base of the hair system, as the base is exactly the same for the ST10 and the ST14. Both neck bases measure 5 by 5 inches and have 4 clips surrounding the edge, making it easy to attach and remove. The top is silk top injected lace, making it breathable, light and airy. It's been especially designed for women with partial or total hair loss at the top of their heads. So the ST10 and the ST14 are both stock hair pieces, so they come with a 30-day money-back guarantee and immediate shipment, meaning you could get these hair pieces in as little as 5 working days. If you like what you see and you'd like to find out more, then please feel free to visit our website at www.lordhair.com or email us at support@lordhair.com. Alternatively, you can telephone us at +86 532 80 82 8255.